Welcome back, everybody. We're here for another hip hop warm up. If you're new here, my name is Ceech, and I teach hip hop classes at community colleges, and this is out of Cabrillo. Now, we always start with the march and also with the two step. Now, with the two step, this is right here. We're going side to side. I want to show you guys different variation of two step because two step, man, it's so powerful. Right there, we're pivoting. Notice, take a look at the feet. I'm also, look at how high my knee goes, right? I'm picking my knees up and also doing the pivot, okay? So throughout these warm-up, you're gonna see different variations of two-step. Now, every instructor has their own way of doing it. And if you're learning for the first time, you know, a lot of time, every instructor has their own different feel. So pick up as much as you can from the different instructors and ask the instructor. You know, for me, I love it when a student, you know, afterwards says, hey, you know, how do you do, what did you do right there? I saw that you did something a little bit different. You know, I love going over that because the minute details, the minute differences in each move is that's the key right there. So here we go. Now this two step, you see how I'm going down and up? It's I really like it because it really warms up the entire body. You know, you're not just doing your leg, but you got to go down and up. So, and now we always go back to the march, picking the knee up. Now this is pick up the knee and I do a little pivot. Now look at the pivot. I'm pivoting on the heel of my feet now, whereas before I was pivoting on the ball of my feet. So again, for the new dancers and even intermediate dancers, if you never picked it up, learn how to pivot from the ball of your feet as well as the heel, right? And then again, going back to the march, kind of catching our breath a little bit. I want to show you later on in this warm-up. Right here, this is the biz marquee. Later on in this warm-up, I'm going to show you guys how, you know, even with the two-step, you could go right into a lot of the locking feel, okay? When you add the different arms and stuff like that to it. So the biz marquee right there, boom, boom, man, and smack. Biz Marquee. If you don't know Biz Marquee, go search him up. He's this he's a rapper. And that move was actually named from him. Biz Marquee. Again, going back to the march. Right there. See, that's another way of two-step. So if you guys rewind to the beginning of this video, there's different ways of doing two steps. Okay, now right there, that's the locking feel, right? Pace, muscle man. Pace, muscle man. I'm throwing out dance vocabulary out there for those that are interested in kind of learning, but there's a pace and a muscle man. Pace, muscle man. With the two-step going side to side. So guys, hope you guys have fun. This is a little bit of a shorter warm-up today, but again, hope you guys enjoyed it, learned something, rewind it, rewatch it, warm up with me if you guys feel like it. Add this to your repertoire if you're a dance instructor. If this helps you, go ahead and use it, share it. Definitely appreciate the likes and subscribe. Oh, right there. This move right here, you know what? If anybody knows this, drop it in the comment below because I really don't know the name of this move, but I do remember watching this. I remember New Kids on the Block. Oh, right there. So they did that move, but before them, Morse Day and the Times. They did it in Jungle Love, in their Jungle Love video. So I don't know if there's anybody else that did it before them. I'm pretty sure there is. And drop me a comment. Let me know who was the first group that actually did it. and the name of that move. So sorry, I apologize. I don't know that name. Anyways, guys, I have fun doing this class. I have fun making this video. Hope you guys have fun as well. And I will see you on the next one. Later.